Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with a marker review of all Dollar Tree markers that I have picked up, and probably the last three hauls I left them out because I thought I'm going to do this. These I bought last month when the grandkids were here for the week. As you can see, there's washi tape on some. They were all supposed to be do not touch Nana's set because you can use this set in your Cricut. So that's why one set has washi tape on. That was supposed to be the kids' set, or my set. Well, guess what? I looked over and Riley was using my set. So we're going to have to buy Nana a new set for the Cricut. And I'll just have to put them somewhere else. So let's just talk about these. These are an average marker that Dollar Tree has all the time. They're doubled end. And for $1 marker, I'm pretty pleased with these because I have colored with these. You guys know my philosophy. You don't need a very expensive marker to color. So you can get you guys a nice set Dollar Tree. And these are been used by my grandkids. And they color really well. So that's the green. Here's the blue. Double-sided. You get like small side to the thick side. So for the price, I think they work wonderful. So that's out of these 1 through 10, I'd give these a 10. I'm very pleased with them, and I've bought them before, and the grandkids like them. And Allie likes the fact that you can use the smallest side and then go, to outline and then go in with the thick side. So them right here, and you get, let's see, and let's see what color I'm missing up there. Blue. So, and purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 markers for $1. Can't complain there. Just for kids. A while ago, I bought Riley the big jumbo scented Sentimals. Today, I was at the Dollar Tree, and I actually grabbed 2 packs thinking they were this is different because I didn't look at the markers. I looked at the packaging. It's funny. I had one open just to see. One is called Sentimals, and one is called Centicorns. And that is the only difference. The colors are exactly the same. But, I got grandkids, so it doesn't matter. And the scents are, and I'll ask because one's the little monsters, and ones are like unicorn thingies. So you got the red, the yellow, the orange, the green, berry purple, and blue. And see the little image? And they're on the markers as well, the little unicorn horns. And then in this set, the little monster looking things, and the monsters are on them. So I already have one open because I just checking them out. So they are both double-sided. One thing I didn't understand, and it says 3 double-ended scented markers. Oh, 3. 1, 2, 3. So technically you got 6. Okay, got that. There was a blonde moment there until I reread it. So you have red, one end yellow, red, purple, this end blue, green, and an orange. And they smell. I loved these when I was a kid. I remember these. Ooh, grape. Grape. Nice tip. Color-wise, very nice coloring. Remember the scratch and sniff stickers? And then we have like an orange. Ooh, orange. Smells so good. I'm sniffing them. And we have red, so I imagine that one. And look at the eyeballs staring at you. I'm going to keep a set for myself, actually. Ooh, cherry. Red. Nice. And on the opposite red is the green. I can't smell the green. I think that's grape or watermelon. Green. I like that I can write with them as well. And color. Good fine coloring. So I could outline and then color inside really well. So that's the green on that one. And then we have yellow. Oh, the yellow is really bright. Smells like Bananas. It's a fluorescent yellow. I like that yellow. It looks really yellow, but down on paper looks really fluorescent. It smells delicious too. And of course, blue. Blueberry. Now that I know all my colors, it smells really good. I would give these, I don't know if I said I'd give these markers that I 1 through 10 a 10. I think they're worth $1. These, you got 6 markers, and they're Scentimals and a novelty. They're worth $1. I don't think I would pay probably what they $5-6 in a store for them. That's probably what they'd go for. But for $1, I'm happy. My grandkids will be pleased. Next thing I came across were these today. This was today's purchase. These next 2 items I found today. That's what made me do the video because I really wanted to check these out. They are called brush markers. Brush tip, great for hand lettering and calligraphy. You got yellow, orange, and red. And in this package was purple, blue, and green. So let's check these out. And I'm getting into calligraphy. So, I'm not good at it yet. I've been practicing. So we have the orange, and that's the tips. So, very smooth. Kind of, the tip is very soft when you press down. So, but I love the coloring. Even if you don't use it for the calligraphy, I like the coloring. So that's the orange, of course, and here's the yellow. Nice. I'm happy so far. Red. Nice coloring. The colors match the outside. Very good. Let's check out the next 3. So we have purple, blue, and green. It's only 6 colors I saw they had. Nice coloring. Sorry if you hear the outside noise. I do have my windows open because it's beautiful in Green Bay, Wisconsin. We have the blue. Ooh, I like the blue. The blue difference. I would use this as a sky blue. And then, of course, purple rain. Ooh, now this is a light purple to me because here's a purple up here and you can see the difference in the color. Can you? So, say the difference. Let's get the purple out over here. So I'm always looking at purple. There's so many different shades of purple. This purple. And we have this purple. And then we have this purple. So what I mean by purple, I mean there's always different shades of blue. But when it comes to purple, yeah, I'm happy with that. Get them purples. So yeah, I think for what they say they're used for, brush markers, calligraphy, great brush tip, great for handwriting and calligraphy. I do think the tip is a little too soft, but I'm still learning calligraphy, so maybe that's a given when it comes to markers. The tips are soft. So right now I'm going to give these a 9 because I'm not positive on the tip because I think the tip is just a little too spongy. It's very flexy. But that's a brush tip, and I'll be honest with you, I'm not a brush tip fan. I like my tips like that. This is one of my markers sitting here where it's a more solid tip. You guys see that? That's the type of tip I like on my markers. So, I'm not a fan of a brush tip. So let's continue. Now, the next thing I came across today were these metallic markers. Permanent metallic ink, visible marks, dark surfaces, fine tip. So this one has like a rose color, a green, a blue, and a purple. Rates on black paper. Ooh, should we get some black paper? I got black paper. I know exactly where it is, too. I can get my black paper. Oh, come on. This is okay. I know you're like, oh my God, Tina, I'm getting my black paper because I want to see. I think you guys would like to see too, wouldn't you? I would like to see. And I know they're handy because I just tossed it. I just had it. And I was straightening things out. It's a Tina video. I'm famous for these. I'm so funny. Why is it when you want something, you don't have it? And then when you don't need it, you find it. Just have that. So I was like, oh man, I wish I could. Sorry, guys. But hey, I want to check them out, right? So I have this pack of gel ink black paper. So we're going to check it out on the white as well as the black. You know, I just want to see, hey? I would want to see right away. We got this little scratch paper right here. So let's check it out. So let's go. They are by INC. So you write on black to metallic. So let's go. Let's go. All right. So this looks like a kind of like a purple. I don't call it rose gold. I don't know what color you'd call that, but it's metallic. So let's see. That's the tips. Very small tip on there. So let's go. Ooh. Maybe a rose gold, I guess you would call it. So let's read. Oh, this is so cool. Nice and smooth. So that is like the rose colored. I'm going to call it rose color. Very nice. So we have the green. Nice. Like the green. I'm liking them, actually. I'm really liking these. So that's like the green color. And then we got the next one, which is purple and a blue. These are the only four colors that I've seen. I don't know if there's more out there. So here we have a blue. Ooh, I like the blue. Oh, wow. I don't know how to spell the day. Wow. I don't know how to spell it. Wow, Tina. I lost my thought. What I was doing. Here we go. Now this is blue. And then we have like a purple. Ooh, purple's pretty. Like. I am giving these a 10. They are worth the dollar. Metallic. Especially on the black paper. This looks awesome. Having way too much fun. There we go. So, the metallic Dollar Tree by Ink. You get two of the metallics in a package for $1. Value-wise, it's only 50 cents a marker. I think for metallic, I think that's a good deal actually. So I'm going to give these a 10 up. 10. The brushables, like I said, I'm not sure on the tip because I'm new to calligraphy. But I explained I'm not a brush tip person, so I gave them a 9. The Sentables. Basically, it's 6 markers for $1. Can't complain about that. Not bad. Kids, grandkids will like them. They colored well. I'm very happy with them. So they get a 10. Now, I did a review on just the Dollar Tree everyday markers. I know they carry these all the time. I'm very satisfied with these. I buy these a lot. My grandkids love them. They're two-sided. And like I said, Allie likes the fact that she can like go around the edge. The only color I'm not satisfied in this bunch of markers, and I've never had this happen, so I think it was just this batch, is the black is more like a dark hunter green this time. Can you see that? I don't know if you guys can tell that. It's not really a black this time. And I thought, okay, it's like a hunter green. And I thought maybe it was just one, but my set is a hunter green as well. So other than that, I'm always happy with these. But it was weird that the black looks like hunter green. So overall, I'm very satisfied. You know, like I said, these are my go-to markers when I buy and I replace after a while. You know, after a while, you have to replace markers, especially when you have grandkids. They ruin the tips. They're $1. You get 8 for $1. You can't complain on them. At least I can't. And of course, the novelty ones, they were just cute. I had to buy them. I do got the big ones that they had for different, I mean, those things were huge, and Riley loves them. And I like Sentimentals. So this is a novelty item that I just had to have because, you know, I'm a cool Nana. Plus, I thought those were cute. Except I got tricked because I actually thought these markers were different colors in each pack. So don't do a Tina because, well, I'm okay with having 2 packs anyways because I have 3 grandkids. I have a set for Coda and a set for the girls. So either way, they were cool. Plus, I think I may just keep one set for myself because I liked how these colored. So that got a 10. Like I said, these out of 9 because I'm not trying to tip. But my overall of all the markers I showed today, I love the metallics. So go to your nearest Dollar Tree and look for these markers. And I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.